Hello, I'm Mike Russell from musicradiocreative.com. In this video, I'll show you how to play audio in Adobe Audition CC if you're unable to play audio or hear any sounds. Here we are in Adobe Audition CC, and I'm hitting that play button. I'm hitting it and I'm hitting it, and sometimes it won't even let me do that because it's grayed out, and that's really annoying. I can't play anything. I can't hear anything. How do you solve this? It's a simple case of going into your preferences and selecting the right options there. So for instance, on a Mac, it's under the Adobe Audition menu. PC, it's under the Edit menu. You look for Preferences. You want to go to Audio Hardware. Most important thing, and the mistake that often causes this to occur, is that you haven't got any default input or output selected. In my case, I've got the built-in selected, but I'm actually using a mixer, and you might be using an audio interface, a sound card. Look for it here in your selection. So Soundcraft Signature 12, that's my mixer. Let's select that. That's fine. Default output should also be the same. Yes, that's fine. Make sure that's good. Make sure the master clock is also the same and that everything else is good. Everything else looks fine. Now, the next thing, it doesn't finish there because I might click OK and then try and play this piece of audio back, but I can't hear anything. I've selected the right audio interface. What is going on? I should now be able to hear that sound. I can see even the level meters moving, but I can't hear it. Well, this is where we go back into preferences, and instead of audio hardware, we've got the audio hardware right. Now we go to audio channel mapping, and these are all the channels, inputs and outputs on your mixer or on your audio interface, and they may not be selected correctly. So for output, I've got 1 and 2, and I know on my particular desk, I want to hear audio from channels 7 and 8, stereo channel 7 and 8. So I go and look for that. For me, it's 7 and 8. Yours might look slightly different. You might have less outputs, but for me, I know that's where I want it to come. 7 and 8, click OK, and hopefully, yes! We have audio. Audio is here, and it's as simple as that. So, couple of steps you need to look at if you're unable to hear or play back audio in Adobe Audition CC. Up into the Preferences menu, start with your audio hardware, make sure that's correct, click on over into Audio Channel Mapping, and make sure you're mapping it out to the correct channels on your particular audio interface or device.